Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate American Express Platinum Card online guide step by step clearly. To activate your American Express Platinum Card online, start by visiting the official American Express website. Locate the sign-in option on the home page. If you already have an account, enter your username and password to log in. If you do not have an account yet, look for the register or create account link. Click on this link to begin the registration process. You will need to enter your card number, security code, and personal details to create your account. Once registered, return to the sign-in page and log in with your new credentials. After logging in, navigate to the Account Services section. Here, you will find the option to activate your card. Click on the Activate Card link. Enter your card details as prompted, including your card number and expiration date. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the activation process. Once activated, you will receive a confirmation message on the screen. You may also receive an email confirming the successful activation of your card. Now your American Express Platinum Card is ready for use. Make sure to review the benefits and features associated with your new card to maximize its potential. Keep your card in a secure place and enjoy the advantages that come with being an American Express Platinum cardholder. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.